Many family doctors, I should say they are struggling to care for their longtime patients. In fact, they say they don't have the virus test or the proper equipment to keep their staff or their patients safe. WCNC Charlotte's Michelle Bowden has the story, all new tonight at 6.
We talked to a veteran family doctor in our area who says last week he was getting desperate, running out of protective gear when a local organization stepped in to make sure he can still see his patients. Dr. Greg Glass has run his family medicine practice in Mount Holly for more than 25 years.
This is unique. This is an epidemic of epic proportions.
One that is also making it scary to treat some of the patients he's known for decades.
We're the first line of defense for a lot of patients. And that is the most frightening part, is it's an invisible enemy and we don't have any bullets to fight it.
He's been trying to get the COVID-19 test for his patients for weeks now.
The holdup is the demand. The demand requires that those with the greatest need would get them first.
Late last week, he was just about out of protective gear for him and the rest of his staff. They're already wearing the same masks over and over.
It's not the ideal situation, but it's the best alternative that is left.
Desperate, he started calling around and learned about CLT Give PPE, a newly formed nonprofit collecting supplies for area doctors. They gave him the face shields he's now using in his office.
Came at a critical time with the next 2 weeks coming up, which are supposed to be the 2 worst weeks.
Dr. Grove says he's worried for his staff, his patients, for the whole community right now.
I think these are the most frightening 2 weeks that we're entering. And so it's weathering the storm.
So that donation drive collecting protective gear for doctors and nurses and healthcare workers in our area is still going on. If you'd like to help, we've got all the information you need. You can find it on our WCNC app. Reporting in Charlotte, Michelle Bowden, WCNC Charlotte.